Okay, Assalamu alaikum. Today we see together what is past study. What is past study? What is past study? Why we should this online server and how to use this online server? Okay, so first of all, what is past server online? So this is an online free portal is developed and supported by a team of researchers working in bioinformatics, chemoinformatics, and on computer-aided drug discovery for about 30 years. So let's see how can we get access to this website through Google. We should write way to drug and we should click on the second one for pass prediction or on the first one to see what is this pass online. Okay, so this is the website, this is the online server, and look, this is the homepage of this server. We have different options. For this video, I will explain just how to use pass online server, and you have different options. You can explore all of them here. Drug repurposing, anti-cancer activity test. We have different kinds. So first of all, to predict, we should know how many times is cited this online server. So if you write here in Google Scholar the paper for this server here, citation, copy and paste and put it here in Google Scholar, you can see the number of citations of this online server. And this is the home page. Also the number of citations and the abstract, the website of Pass Online. You can click on it to get this online server. So the first step that you need to do is to register an account. You cannot get protection here until you register account. For example, here I have already registered my account. For you, you can click on registration. You need to fill all your personal information here, and then you can get an email of activation. After that, you will be able to access to this server. So let's click on it to see how can we use this server. So the second step is why we should use this server, why I'm explaining this online server. Actually, for a simple reason, is to avoid consuming time, reagents, and chemicals for testing many natural or synthetic compounds. By using this online server, we can win time and we can be sure if we have these compounds are active or inactive. So let's see together now how to use this online server. So as I mentioned before, you need to register your account, then you click on predict new compound, and after that you have many options. The simplest one is smileys. So here we should insert our smileys. Actually, we have two different methods. The first one, we can click on PipChem compound if we know the molecule is known molecule, not new or synthetic, something like that. For example, we can write caffeine. Okay, and click. Then we need to copy and paste the smileys of this molecule. This is the first method. It's the easiest, the quickest one. We need here to search about opaque names. No, here this is the canonical smileys, and we need to copy. Okay, copy, and then we need to paste them in our here. Okay, and we click on get prediction. This is the first method. Okay, the second method is about to draw the molecule. Okay, you need to draw it here using ChemDraw. Yeah, I don't know, you can draw anything. For example, here, any molecule you want to draw, and then you can, for example, add OH here. Okay, OH, let's put here an N. any molecule you want. Absolutely, I mean, you have something to just confirm this one. Okay, and then I need to correct it. After that, we need to click on this. Okay, and let's click molecule, copy as smileys. And this is the second way. Okay, so here we get our first prediction and using the first method, and you have to here copy and paste the other one and then click on get prediction. So let's see here, after getting prediction, what we should do. So we should click Ctrl A, select all of them, copy and paste, and then we should click on a new Word file. Okay, then can we rename it pass caffeine? Okay, and then we can copy all of them. So we need first to copy this one and try the name here as it's caffeine, for example. And here we need to copy we need to copy our results of pass. Okay, so here is our results of pass. So these are the results of pass. We can copy them as another way. Okay, just a minute, we need to copy them again, to copy them as they are, like this, and then pasting these results through this Word file. Okay, so we can check here, we have different activities. Let's explain something. So here we have PA, which is probability of activity, and PI, which is a probability of inactivity. So as you need here, PA, it should be up to 0.3 and up to 0.7 to be active. So less than this value, the molecule is not active. Okay, so let's search here, Control F. Okay, or let's here, for example, we can search here, this one, we can search navigation. So let's see, for example, any activities, amylase inhibition, for example. We have 0.13, so this is not a good activity. We cannot test amylase for inhibition, for amylase inhibition. Let's see glucosidase. Okay, we have not alpha glucosidase, we have only beta, but we cannot, it's good activity, by the way, so we can test it against this enzyme. Let's see another one. For example, xanthine oxidase, it is a substrate xanthine oxidase, so we cannot use it for inhibition. Look, 0.12 as inhibitor, but it is in fact a substrate for this enzyme. You see the ratio of the probability activity. So let's see another enzyme, for example, lipase enzyme, lipoprotein lipase inhibitor. It's a good activity, you say, 0.7. Let's see another one, acetylcholine esterase. There is no activity against acetylcholine esterase. So let's see another, if it's an antioxidant. Now antioxidant activities. Again, I will search now antioxidant activities. Antimicrobial. Okay. Now antimicrobial. We can write just fungal to see if it's a fungal activity. There is no fungal activity also. There is no fungal activity. So depending on the found activities, we can test them at lab. So we have different molecules, we have different, for example, this one that I have already drawn from my head. Okay, so let's see their activities. Molecules, copy as smileys, and let's just to see the difference between both molecules, and click on get prediction. And here we have this molecule. Always we should create a new file to get results for just one molecule. So because this molecule I drew it by myself, I need to copy and paste the molecule, okay, to put it here in this document. And after that we need to copy and paste all of these activities and to see if this molecule has any activities or not. Okay. It takes time while it's pasting. Okay, we have many activities. We have many biological activities. So let's start antioxidant activities. Yes, but it's very low. You see, results here very low. So it's not antioxidant activity. It has not any antioxidant activities. Microbial, no. Bacterial, yes. Antimycobacterial, good activity. Anti-Helicobacter pylori, uh, low and low activity. So let's see about fungal activities. Antifungal, it's low, nearly 0.2, and it's very low, so there is no activity here. Let's see lipoxygenase. Okay, so it's lipoxygenase substrate, and look at the activity for inhibitor, and look at the ratio of substrate. So we cannot test it against this enzyme. Okay, amylase, for example, alpha amylase inhibitor, it's about 0.25, low activity. Okay, glucosidase activity, also low activities. Our enzyme human one, low activity. Okay, xanthine oxidase, we will see. So it's medium activity, 0.35, nearly 0.3. So, but it can be xanthine oxidase substrate. So for this, we cannot test it as inhibitor. Always when we find some molecule is both substrate and inhibitor, so we cannot test it for in vitro studies. So thank you for watching this video. I hope that you like it and you found it interesting. Good luck in your research.